Hello friends, today we are going to learn Cricket Mania from GK book 3rd standard. There are 4 types of matches: IPL, Test Series, One Day International and 2020. Only in Test Series white clothes are used and color clothes are used in IPL, One Day International and 2020. Used for IPL, One Day International and 2020 is partly daylight and partly night, and for the Test series only daylight use. 8 or more teams for IPL. There are 10 teams for Test and 15 teams for One Day International and over 15 teams for 2020 series. Of the match is 3 hours, starts late in the evening for IPL and for Test 5 days and lasts at least 7 hours each day. And for One Day International 8 hours, starts early afternoon, and for 2020 3 hours, starts late in the evening. 20 overs for IPL, 90 overs for Test series, 50 overs for One Day International, 20 overs for 2020 series. Bowler for IPL, maximum 4 balls. Bowling per bowler for Test series is unlimited, and bowling per bowler for One Day International is 10 balls, and for 2020 maximum 4 balls per bowler.